ETFs are one of the best ways to grow your wealth through investing. But what are ETFs? How do you actually start investing in them? And why should I trust this random 21-year-old on YouTube with investing advice? Well, I'm fully transparent with how much money I make and how. My net worth is now $194,000, and I've been documenting my entrepreneurial and investing process for the past couple years, taking in pretty much all the knowledge I could possibly get on every topic related to growing wealth. So no, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've actually done all the things that I'm going to talk about in this video, and I'm a regular person who's seen these things actually work in real time. Of course, always do your own research before making financial decisions, but let's get right into the video. So what is an ETF? Well, it stands for an exchange traded fund. What does that actually mean? Well, exchange traded just means it's something that's traded on the stock market. A fund is more of a group of investments that all pile into one fund. So if you buy one share of Apple stock, it would just give you exposure to the company Apple. Whereas if you buy an ETF, it can give you exposure to a ton of different stocks at once, or even other things that you might want to invest in, like precious metals or bonds or commodities. So many different things. And the reason most financial advisors will suggest ETFs or index funds is because it's a way for you to diversify your investment. Because let's say you put all your money in Apple because you think it's going to be a good investment. But 10 years from now, it might turn out that they have a ginormous scandal and their company goes to nothing. Now all your eggs were in one basket and you lost all the money that you invested in. Not super diversified. Compare this to if you invested in something like the S&P 500, which is an ETF. This includes the top 500 companies in the stock market. So in that fund, only some small portion of that is made up by Apple. So even if Apple completely tanks, you're going to be okay because there's 499 other stocks in there that didn't immediately tank because of one scandal. So that's the whole idea behind an ETF. And standard financial advice will tell you that for most people, putting your money in the S&P 500 or any ETF or index fund that tracks the top 500 companies in the United States is one of the best bang for your buck long-term passive investments that you can make. The S&P 500, for example, which is one of the biggest index funds that tracks this, is the S&P 500, and it returns around 10% per year annually. Now, the reason it's important to find something like this instead of keeping your money in cash is because of inflation. Every year that you hold on to $1 and you don't invest it, it loses value. So if you have $100 one year, but there's 3% inflation every single year, your dollars are being devalued. So by the next year, you'd already only have $97 worth of purchasing power. This means that one of the riskiest things to do is to actually just hold your money in cash, because now you're losing value literally every day compared to other investment vehicles that could at least retain their value. So now let's get into how to actually invest. Now, there's actually tons of different firms that allow you to invest in ETFs like Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. Personally, I use Vanguard, but this is basically personal preference. In Vanguard, their version of the S&P 500 is this stock ticker right here called VOO. So I personally have a brokerage account with Vanguard. Now, this is an account that has no special benefits, no retirement benefits, no anything like that. So investing for retirement specifically is a whole separate video, but for right now, you could go to any of those websites and open a brokerage account and put money into any of these funds. Now, most of my money is invested between brokerage accounts and retirement accounts, but you can see here 80% of my total net worth is in investments right now, and I only have around 20% in cash. Now, it is important to note here that there are many different ETFs that you can invest in. Like Vanguard, for example, has a list of all the ETFs that they have, and all of these are for different things. Like, for example, they might have an ETF that just tracks the financial markets, or an ETF that tracks international markets, or sometimes there's ETFs that track specific industries. So maybe you think, for example, that graphics cards are going to be a big thing, so you invest in a graphics cards ETF that has a share of a ton of the biggest graphic card companies that exist. Or maybe you really think that AI is going to take off, so you invest in an AI ETF. I'm not really someone who's making long-term decisions or speculative ideas about what's going to happen in different financial markets or which industries are going to be the biggest. So what I do is I basically just take the safest bets and invest in either VOO, which is the top 500 companies in the US, or something like VTSAX, which is just the total US stock market, which already is highly weighted to the top 500 companies because it's weighted by the size of each company. So to walk you through these steps, if you were literally going to open this account right now, you would go to a site like Vanguard or Fidelity, click on personal investors. And I already have an account, but if you would go here, you would click on open an account, click open an investment account, go through all the details that they have, and you could just start literally investing in something like VOO, which is one of the most recommended ETFs for someone who wants to hold longer term and doesn't want their money to be be immediately devalued from inflation every single year. With that being said, that's how ETFs work. And on this channel, we talk about pretty much all things related to making money online. Holding and investing money is a huge part of that. So that's one of the things that we talk about in our Discord community with now almost 25,000 members, which is absolutely insane. So if you guys want to join our free community, the link to that will be in the description. And my mission is to bring transparency to the make money online space, since I feel like there's kind of a lot of people who just lie about how much money they're making and how. So I actually show you guys in every single video how much money I'm making and how. So if I delivered on that mission today, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.